In this video, we will be learning about a topic in calculus called approximation. You know from your previous math experience that the area of a triangle is 1/2 times its base times its height. But what if you didn't know that the area is 1/2 times base times height? How would you find the area of this triangle then? One way we can do that is to estimate using objects where we know what the area is. Here I put in a circle with an area of 3 centimeters squared, and I put that circle into that triangle. But is the area of that triangle 3 centimeters squared? No, because look at all that empty space that we didn't account for. What if I put smaller circles in there, say 2 centimeters squared? Will the area of the triangle be 8 centimeters squared since there's 4 circles that I fit in there? Not quite, but we're getting closer because look at the empty blue space that's in there. It's getting smaller. So we are getting closer. Here, I chose circles that are 1 centimeter squared. Now you notice that there are now 12 circles in there, and the blue empty spaces, they're getting smaller and smaller. So is the area 12 centimeters squared? Still no, because we still have those blue spaces that we haven't accounted for yet, right? But we're getting closer though. Okay, so you notice now these circles are very small now. They're a lot smaller than the other one. And you also notice that the empty spaces in between them, which is now in yellow and not blue, are getting more and more small. So we're getting closer and closer to our actual area of the triangle. So now I poured sand into that triangle. So the point I'm trying to make here is that the sand particles are very, very small. And as these circles get infinitely smaller, our accuracy of getting the area approaches 100%. Notice that I said approaches. It's still an approximation because there are still small spaces in between those sand particles. So here we are using rectangles of known areas to fit them under this curve so we can approximate the area under this curve by adding all the rectangles together. So this is what we call Riemann sum. And as long as we have a function, we can use the Riemann sums to approximate the areas. So congratulations, you now understand one of the main concepts in calculus, which is approximation.